Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It's almost the weekend. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And see what goodies inside this box. Definitely kind of curious. Pretty heavy. So we shall see. Got Amazon right there. Here we go. And then I do believe they got a $5 checkout coupon, $5 off. So you might want to take advantage of that before that expires. And like I said, once you click the link, it'll bring you right to the item. Just add it to your cart and check out. Oh boy. Oh, this sucker's heavy. Alright. Bada boom. Bada bing. DEEK. We got DEEK Home Essentials 6-piece knife set. Ooh. Got the block, the holding block right there. Pretty solid color. Got the red stripe and the shoot. There we go. And the black cutter box. We have the chef knife. You guys can see it. There we go. The bread knife, carving knife, utility knife, paring knife. So we're going to put this to use in the kitchen. I'm going to hop over there, but I'm going to do the unboxing here and show you guys what it looks like. And we'll see it in action. So, like I said, they got a $5 coupon. You get $5 off your purchase. And this would be a great housewarming gift. Birthday gift. Just because gift, Boss's Day. Everyone could use definitely a new set of knives, especially in the kitchen. There we go. Oh, we got DEEK, 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 DEEK. There we go. Oop, oop. All right, we'll open this little guy. Drop you guys down. There we go. Cut, and kitties or adults, these are sharp, so be careful. You don't want to cut yourself. These are not toys. Okay, the knives are on here. These are really sharp, so definitely be careful. The one knife, two knife, 3, 4, and a 5er. Alright, we got 5. Those are just manuals. We know how to use them. This must be the chopping block or the holding block. You can always pick up knife cut or knife sharpeners. Pretty much everywhere they got them, in case you want to sharpen your knives. So, but this will do for now. Oh man, put your dies down. All right. This thing's a little heavy. Alright. Ooh, nice design. That's pretty fancy. Alright. Got that covered. Alright, get over there. Look at this. Bada boom. Live. DEEK. Got the slots right there. Pretty solid. Got a solid bottom. Oh yeah. But this is the front, sides, and here are the knives. I should rinse them before I put them in, but I'll just put them in for the video and rinse them later. All right. So like I said, be careful. Wow. Taking out these because they are sharp. Oh, they got a little protector blade right at tip top, so that's good. But still, this is going to be sharp. So, nice. Lightweight, too. I love it. Nice, comfortable grip. Ooh, dang. Uh-oh. Told you they're sharp. Oh, boy. I might be bleeding in a second. There we go. Here's paring knife. Oh, no, that's the... I forgot which one this was. This is a carving knife. Really nice. And then now we got the bread knife. Yeah, this is a good old bread knife. Got the sharp teeth right down there. Oh, it tells right on the right there. Bread knife. DEIK. Like I said, nice and comfortable grip. And we got here. This could be a sharp one. Oh yeah, the big guy. This is the chef. Nice knife. Look at that. Bam. So definitely be careful though. No, not bleeding yet, so that's good. And there we go. This is a tiny one. This is a paring knife. Shows it right there. Alright, so let's peel these out. Not sure which way they go. I don't know if there's a specific slot. But we'll see these things in action. But yeah, these are... Yeah, got a nice grip to it. But they are sharp. Alright. Take that down. Let's see. Sure. Well, we'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure we will. Oh. We'll remove the tip. Okay, that one's a good one. That had a nice lock in it. And there's the bread knife. Oh yeah. Look at that. Dang. Got some bling to it. I think that goes back in here. I think. I'll figure it out. Ooh. Look at those. Yeah, like be very, very careful. I do believe this goes back here. Boom. Alright, so I might have got two wrong. But they ain't bad. Alright. Come on, phone. Must be my lighting. Might be a little off. Utility knife. Oh, I got them in right. Alright, cool. Thought I was wrong, but that's what it looks like. There. There. Box right there. Unboxed. And I'll be in the kitchen. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got the DEEK 6-piece knife set. Definitely check them out. You get $5 at checkout. Link is down below. All you gotta do is add the coupon into the checkout and you get $5 off. So here we go. This is a paring knife. I think I should go a little bit bigger, like this one. Utility. Chop it up some onions. Here we go. Whoa. They are pretty sharp. Wow. Oh, I hate onions, but I like them. Hate them, but I like them. It's one of those type love-hate things. Pretty sharp. And I ain't no Gordon Ramsay, so... And I don't want to cut myself. Hey, this one's sharp. Look at that. Paring knife. Alright. So I'm going to wash these later. Bread knife. I don't have any bread, so we don't need to use that today. Ooh, that's a big one. Bada boom. I'm sure this will do some damage. Lorena Bobbitt style. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, my eyes are watery. Oh lordy. I wish there was a way to stop that from watering so much. Good God. Look at that. Boom. Perfect. Really impressed so far with these. Chop a few more up. These are a nice set. Look at that. Really nice. And then now we're going to go with the other one. Oh man, my eyes are watery. Oh. I'm going to try to hurry it up. I don't think I'm going to do the white onion right now, or the sweet onion. My eyes are just dripping. Oh God. See, this is why I hope I don't cut myself. My eyes are getting to that point right now. It's too watery. So I'm going to try to speed it up a little. And like I said, sorry about the long video, but there's no ads, so sit back and relax. And look at this. Watch out, Gordon Ramsay. Give me a few weeks with these knives. I can't see now. My eyes are just totally blur. Too much water in them. But I'm really impressed so far with these three. Here's a little dude. I'm gonna give him a try. Oh man, my eyes can't see. Oh, blind. Hold on, I can't do this. Oh, God. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, definitely wish there was a way to stop. Oh man, look at this. I chopped them up pretty good. A little bit. Chopped, boom, boom. Perfect cutting. Be great for steaks, burgers, whatever you do, whatever you're chopping up. These are definitely a nice set of kitchen knives. I'm really impressed with these. Look at that. Not bad for a little guy. Alright, so there you have it. Got the onions chopped. There's a DEEK. There's a DEEK. These are the DEEKs right there. And like I said, $5, so you get a coupon. Get $5 off at checkout. Be safe, YouTubers. Have a good day, and see ya.